What is going on, Pyros? We're back at you with Winda fireworks. 4th of July madness. It is a fan cake, as you can tell right there. 36 shots, guessing 6 rows of 6. It is up to 500 grams. This guy looks like they're having a blast for their 4th of July. Get the White House in the background. Winda brand distributed by Panda Fireworks. Again, it is a fan cake. So I'm guessing this is going to be your audience side because of the fuse here. Let's see what the top says for us. There it is, face towards spectators right there. Here's our performance. Brilliant panoramic view of huge crackling comets with colorful strobe mines. Alternated with big bursts of glittering willow, I love willows, and brocades with colors. Finale, a brocade crowned of crackling flowers. Ooh, I'm liking the brocade. There you go. It is 6 rows of 6. 1-inch tubes it looks like. That is the 4th of July madness. Winda fireworks. Let's go have some fun.